Let's review vFunction's automation capabilities that allow developers and architects to accelerate the decomposition of Java and .NET monolithic apps into microservices. After increasing the modularity of this Java ordering management system application by addressing various to-dos, can see many of them marked as done on the to-do list. We can refine some boundaries of the domains to fit the microservices we want to extract. The final decision on the boundary of a service is made by the user after incorporating business and organizational factors. For example, we see here that the system optimized the modularity and arrived at a payments domain and a separate diner's payments domain. The user can decide he wants a single payments domain because there is one team that addresses the payments functionality, so he can merge the two domains. The system will recalculate the call tree, the entry points, the dependencies and modularity of the application based on this merging decision. At this point, the user can decide he wants to extract this payments domain into a microservice. By clicking Save, the system prepares both the payments domain and the common library that is needed to run this service for extraction. The Service Creation tab becomes available and the user can configure the target platform and Java version for that service. vFunction leverages Open to Write for the framework's upgrade. For example, the user may want to move to Quarkus. The user clicks Download and system creates a service specification JSON file that contains all the information to create the service and a YAML file that has the RESTful APIs for the service. Let's open the payments JSON. We see all the information that will allow the vFunction code copy utility to create the service based on the original source code. The entry points, Spring context, classes, and jars. Now let's create the service. This needs to run on a machine that has access to the source code. Here are the source files of the monolithic application. The code copy utility will copy the relevant artifacts from the original source code and create a new project for the payments microservice. Now the project is ready. Here are its source files. Now we just need to run Maven clean to compile it. As can be seen, also the relevant test cases were copied from the repository. The last step required is to add the API calls into this service.